Here we are, Blizzard 2013. Blizzard was yesterday, not today. It stopped snowing now, but it's gonna be a hell of a mess to plow out of here. I'm gonna go try to clear this and go check on the cars. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be snowed in. It's a snow day today for sure, but we'll have fun doing it. Minus 30 Celsius out here. There's my kid's basketball hoop thing. It's minus 30 in Fahrenheit. I don't know what number that is exactly, but I know they meet at minus 40. So it's pretty damn cold. Oh, broke my shovel. What the hell? Oh God, look at that. Oh, I didn't want to do that anyway. The raw power, that's what that is. Screw it. Junk. Let's go check on the cars. Not as bad as I thought, but still not going anywhere. Look at the ruts. Ruts are like a foot deep. Yeah, my car's not as bad as it could be, but I still don't want to go anywhere with it. It's a 6-foot chain link fence. It's up at least halfway on the fence. Oh, it's not so bad out here. I expected worse. Oh, yeah, snow drift above the tires on that big truck. There's the other car, that Mazda. Look at that, be plowing with the rear bumper if you try to leave with that thing. Hope nobody wants to get into that spot. Yeah, stay home, people.